Here's why you should start your day with raw garlic and water. While it makes for an inborn piece of our cooking arrangements, crude garlic, taken particularly as the first thing, can achieve a group of well-being benefits. Sushmita Sengupta, updated, April 4, 2018, 13:35 IST. Twitter, Facebook, Reddit. Here's why you should start your day with raw garlic and water. The spot of garlic is fundamental in Indian cooking. Outside the kitchen as well, garlic has been viewed as one of the most powerful nourishments to fix an assortment of infections and conditions. As indicated by the book Healing Foods, garlic is all around perceived for its well-being advancing advantages, helping the circulatory and stomach-related frameworks, boosting the resistant framework, bringing down pulse, and battling coronary illness. It even assists with killing poisons. While it makes for a characteristic piece of our cooking arrangements, crude garlic, taken particularly as the first thing, can realize a gathering of medical advantages. Truly, it may not be the best of thoughts for your breath, yet the numerous medical advantages of the training would sure propel you to chug in a little lump every morning. Here are barely any reasons why you ought to have garlic on an unfilled stomach. 1. More grounded lipid profile. Macrobiotic nutritionist and health practitioner Shilpa Arora ND says, crude garlic toward the beginning of the day, on a vacant stomach, might be extremely gainful for your lipid profile. Its characteristic blood more slender, which balances out hypertension and cholesterol levels. Shilpa additionally includes, studies have likewise uncovered how sulfur mixes found in garlic help annihilate tumor cells. Garlic is an incredible anti-microbial that may recuperate different lung maladies and reinforce the gut for better assimilation of supplements from food. 2. Amazing natural antibiotic. Raw garlic is one of the best normal anti-infection agents. The force raises essentially if garlic is expended crude, on a vacant stomach. Having a bit of crude garlic opens the microorganisms to the extreme mending properties of garlic, which forestalls the bacterial activity in the gut. Garlic contains bountiful antimicrobial and antifungal sulfur mixes including allicin, allicin, and ajoene. The antitoxin segments and its unstable oil helps treat cold and hack. 3. Assimilation and weight loss benefits. Eating crude garlic before anything else invigorates processing and craving. Smoother processing, in addition to other things, additionally helps powerful weight reduction. Eating crude garlic is additionally powerful for belly issues like looseness of the bowels. Eating crude garlic before anything else invigorates digestion. 4. Hypertension. The sulfur-containing mixes, allicin, diallyl disulfide, diallyl trisulfide, could help manage your circulatory strain levels as well. 5. Detox. The sulfhydryl compound in the garlic helps expel poisonous substances from the body. In this manner, in the event that you have had a substantial supper the previous evening, it is consistently a smart thought to begin the following day on a detox mode. Eating raw garlic. Crude garlic has an altogether preferable nutritive profile over cooked, which is the reason crude garlic is regularly one of the most widely recognized garnishes and elements for servings of mixed greens and veggies. Here is the manner by which you can begin your day with garlic. 1. Ensure the garlic is new. This is on the grounds that the allicin mixes debase significantly if the garlic is made to sit out for a really long time. 2. Cautiously, strip the skin off of one piece of the clove and keep the rest half of the clove in the cooler. Tune in to the most recent melodies, just on geosarvan.com. Additionally read, How to Make Garlic Oil for Natural Remedies, 9 Amazing Ways to Use It. Garlic and onion. They have antibacterial properties that battle against the side effects of flu. 3. Cut a little lump of the part you stripped. Eating an excess of garlic on a void stomach can end up being somewhat stunning for your framework, and make you debilitated. 4. Swallow the garlic with a full glass of water. Since garlic has its own impactful flavor, biting into it might get a lot for a few. It is fitting to swallow a little piece of water. Beginning the day with tepid water can launch digestion as well. Discourse this regular cure and make proper acquaintance with a solid morning.